everyone, my name is Victoria, and today I will show you how to use the action tool and the batching tool. So let's start off by explaining what each tool does. You can use the action tool to record every single action that you make on a certain photo, and once you have those actions recorded, you can almost like paste your recording of the actions onto another photo, so the photo will automatically perform those actions. So let's start by opening up a photo. Here we have a photo of someone taking a photo. Wow, very creative. And to create a new action, you can click this little button right here. We can name our action test. And under here you see function key. What this does is it sets a certain key, or you choose a certain key for the action you're about to make, so that when you want to perform an action on a picture, you can just press the key and it'll do it automatically. So we can click record, and now every single thing that we do, Photoshop will record and set it as a action. Up here you can see that Photoshop already has a bunch of preset actions that you can use to help make a photo look better. Some of these preset actions can be as easy as saving as a Photoshop PDF, or it can be as complicated as putting a wood frame around it or a water reflection. We're not going to be using any of those right now, as it is recording our new action. So what I'm going to do for this action is I'm going to make a new layer, new adjustment layer, black and white. Okay. So what I'm doing right now is just turning the picture black and white, and I'm going to add a tint to it. Okay, I'm also going to change the opacity down so you can still kind of see the color. And now that I'm done creating my action, I can click stop, and it will stop recording all of my movements. So, because I did this action, I can now, by using batching, perform the same action on a folder of pictures without having to manually do it. So to batch, we click File, Automate, Batch. The action's already preset as test, but you can change it in here. We can choose a folder. I already pre-made a folder of photos. I'm going to choose that. And once I click OK, you will see Photoshop open up all those photos and perform all the actions in my test action onto those photos. So let's click OK. And as you can see, it's opened all 5 of my photos and performed the same action onto those photos. We can open up the folder of photos to compare how different they are. So this is one of the pictures I used, and as you can see, it's a normal colored picture, and because we batched it and we put a certain action on it, it now looks like this. So the action tool and the batching tool is fairly easy to use. It's only a couple simple steps, and it saves you a lot of time when you're trying to change a bunch of folders to do the same thing. So I recommend to try it out, because as you saw, I did it in a couple of minutes, which means you can too. So thanks for watching my tutorial, You can like the video if you want, or you can subscribe to this channel. There's probably a lot of other tutorials on here too that might help you out.